Hey guys, so in this video I'll talk about WhatsBot. So this is a modular user bot for WhatsApp. So in this video I will demonstrate how can you deploy this on Heroku for free. So to deploy this, read this wiki. Every instruction will be there. So let's tap on that wiki. So here you have to generate a token that WhatsApp will authenticate you. So for that I am using REPL.it. You can use your local system as well. So here login, create an account. So I am choosing Google and create an account. After you are in this page, then tap that new REPL and import from GitHub. Let's copy the application URL, that is this. Let's paste it, remove the slash and import from GitHub. After that this page will come. After that write here npm install and install the dependencies. Okay, now dependencies are installed. Now here clear that page and run npm node gentoken.js. After that this keyword will come. Now open your WhatsApp web and scan this QR code. After a successful attempt you will get a JSON. So just copy that JSON. Okay, now everything is done. Let's go to my REPLs and delete this REPL. After deleted you can cut this page. Now create a MongoDB. For that go to cloud.mongodb.com and tap that try MongoDB cloud for free and sign in with Google if you do not have an account. Let's create a MongoDB account. Let's select your Google account. Accept their terms and conditions. Here on that free shared cluster, tap that create a cluster and select AWS and select any North America server because Heroku server also located there, so it will speed up your database intensive works. Okay, so now in this page the cluster is creating. Now tap on that network access and add IP address. Now here allow access from anywhere and confirm that. Now tap on that database access and create new database user. Here select password and Jeet and give it a password. If you are using a special character, then you have to URL encode it, but I am using alphabet and numerical numbers, so Jeet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 will be fine. Now so add user. So tap on the cluster. It is creating. It is not creating yet, it is creating. Okay, so let's not waste time. Let's go to Heroku and create a Heroku account. Open that link. It will be headed you to on this page, that Heroku sign up page, and here select the form, write the form. And click create an free account. Nice. So refresh the email, you will found this mail. So let's verify that email. Now set a password. Okay, after that click here to proceed and see accept their term and conditions. Okay, now click that deploy button again. Okay, let's give it a app name. Let's give it an app name. In that case, that is hotspot development test. Here on session, paste that JSON you got from REPL.it. Now MongoDB is created. Now click on that connect and connect with your application and copy that URL, paste that and remove that password and paste your password. I mean type your password, that is G12345678 I selected before, and it need a YT data API key, I mean YouTube data API key. For that, go to cloud.google.com, I mean console.cloud.google.com, and if you do not have an project, then create if you do not have a project, then create a project. Okay, let's create a project. I'm creating a new project. Let's give it a name, that hotspot. Okay, and create. Nice. So after created, click on select project and go to API and services. Here search YouTube data API version 3. Enable this. After that, go back again to that API and services and click on credentials. Here create credential and create an API key and grab that API key. So here paste that YouTube data API key. Okay, so the PM permit enable is true. If you do not want PM permit, then if you can do false as well, but true is always preferred. So, and this is the PM permit mute time. This have to be in seconds. So let's change it 3600 and deploy the app. It will need some time, maybe 5 minutes. After that, it will deploy. Okay, so now the app has been deployed. Now click on manage app. Click on resources. Make sure your Dino is turned on. If you open that app, you find this. If that is on your screen, then your app is correctly working. Now create a cron job account that Heroku Dino will not die. For that, go to cronjob.org and here sign up. Fill that form and create a free account. Nice. Let's check your email and confirm that cronjob.org, and I mean verify that email. Okay, after verified, login. Okay, now here press on cron jobs, create cron job. Now copy your application URL, paste that. Let's change it in 5 minutes and press on create cron job. Nice. So the hotspot is deployed now. Let's open my WhatsApp, and if you give comment help, then you will see this. So these modules are pre-configured. You can develop a module. So here has block, mute, unmute, pm permit, and many things. If you want to develop, please check the development wiki. It is very easy to develop if you know JavaScript. So here, if you want to know about any plugin, I mean modules, then give command help and that plugin name. So as you can see, this is the translator module. So let's try a translation. So your translate will be in Bengali, so that is tr Bengali. I mean that Bengali is the output. So this is the translation. This is powered by Google Translator. If any error happen, then this is not my fault, this is Google's fault. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's check the pm permit feature. You can allow by giving command allow, and if you can stop a pm by giving command no pm. So if someone is messaging you and he is not your allowed list, you will get a wait message. If he's still spamming 3 times, so you will get warnings and you will get timeout for 60 minutes. So as you can see, he is muted now. So you can unmute by command no pm, I mean allow by command allow. So he is allowed it and he is not muted now. So I hope you like this WhatsBot. So you can develop your own plugin. I will create another repo about WhatsBot plugin. So there you can submit your plugin for public uses as well. So if you want to develop, you can check the development wiki. This is very easy, as I told before. And if your friends need a WhatsApp user bot for their daily life, like they want to check their email like that in WhatsApp, so they can do it with this WhatsApp user bot. Give them a suggestion about that WhatsApp user bot that they can use. It will helpful for them. So if you like this video, you can subscribe and like. And if you not in my Telegram group, then join. If you have any doubt, then message there. I or admins or any people will help to figure out that doubt and will fix it. So thank you guys and have a good day. Goodbye.